Hello guys, and welcome back with my article reading in this channel. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Before I start, I want to say thank you for clicking this video. I hope it will be very useful for your life. Okay. So the title of the article is "Oil Price Inch Lower on Prospect of Rising U.S. Interest Rate." This article was made at September 14, 2022 at 2:42 and 46 a.m. Made by Isabel Kua. Singapore returns. Oil price inched lower on Wednesday on concerns of another U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate hike next week after consumer price unexpectedly rose in August, outweighing support from a robust OPEC oil demand growth forecast. Brent crude futures fell 17 cents or 0.2% to $93 a barrel by 0633 GMT US West Texas intermediate crude was at 87.2 a barrel down 11 cents or 0.1%. Pressuring price was a hotter than expected U.S. inflation report on Tuesday that dashed hopes the Fed could scale back its rate policy tightening in the coming month. Fed officials are set to meet next Tuesday and Wednesday, with inflation remaining way above the U.S. Central Bank's 2% target. A strong U.S. dollar and an expectation for another supersized rate hike by the Fed. Wait on statement said Tina Teng, and analyzed at CMC Market. In China, through ongoing COVID-19 curbs are squeezing full demand at the world's largest oil importer. China's zero COVID policy remains intact, and that will keep any rebound that emerge over the coming weeks, Kate said. Edward Moyang, a senior market analyst at Awanda, in a note. The U.S. is the big wild card, and if the Met outlook weakens, oil could resume its downward trajectory that has been in place since the start of the summer. On the supply side, U.S. crude stock rose by about 6 million barrels for the week ended September 9, according to Market Circus, citing American Petroleum Institute figures on Wednesday. The U.S. government will release inventory data at 10:30 a.m. EDT on Wednesday. Okay, so that's the article by Isabel Kua from investing.com. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, I hope you enjoy, and I hope This will very useful for life. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.